If you need to convert a PDF into editable text using Microsoft Word, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. It's a simple method that works great when you want to pull text out of a PDF, edit the content, or save it in Word format without starting from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File menu and open the PDF file you want to convert. You can browse to the file location on your device and select the PDF. Just like you would open a normal document. After you choose the PDF, Word will display a confirmation message letting you know that it's going to convert the file into an editable Word document. This is completely normal. Go ahead and click OK to continue. Word will now process the PDF and convert it into Word format. Depending on the size of the file and how much formatting it contains, this may take a few moments. Once the conversion is complete, you'll be able to view the text inside Word and make edits directly if needed. Now that the PDF has been converted, the next important step is to save it properly. Click File, then choose Save As. Select the location where you want to keep the new document and make sure you choose the Word format, such as a .docx file. This will preserve the editable version of your file so you can work with it later without needing to convert it again. After selecting the save location and file type, click OK or Save to finish the process. And that's it. Your PDF has now been converted into text in Word and saved in Word format for easy editing. This is one of the easiest ways to turn a PDF into a document you can actually work with. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick how-to guides just like this one.